Paudak, ikaw mag-send ng number. Paudak, lagi ka na lang ganyan, hindi ka naman. She blocked me. If I block you, why you are here? Frank R. Why you are here if I block you? You wrong life, baby. I'm not talk to you. Hindi ako na pag-chat. We don't have convo, baby. You send me message here, no bot. You beware of poser. 112 for you wrong life, baby. Get out of here. I-block nyo yung my bot, guys. Guys, i-block nyo yung my bot. Hindi ako yung my bot. Start agad with face. Marina. Ingat sa mga poster, ha? Walang ibang letter sa dulo yan. Walang bot. Start agad, guys, dito mag-check. I-block nyo na yung my bot.